Hey guys, if you want to use Microsoft Office completely free of cost, I'm going to share the best alternative method in this video. This tool will provide you with almost everything for free, especially if you work with documents, Excel sheets, presentations, or PDF files. You will get all these features without paying anything. The name of the software is OnlyOffice. Let me open it and show you the interface. As you can see, it's neat, clean, lightweight, and very easy to use. At the top, you will find four main options: document, Excel, presentation, and PDF. You can create and edit files in all these formats. There is a cloud option below, which let you connect to the cloud, but this feature is not free. You will need to pay for it, so it might not be useful for everyone. Next, you will see a template option with some ready-made templates. You can use any of this if you want. If you go to open local files, you can open any Microsoft Office file already saved on your computer. Let me show you how it works by opening a document file. As you can see, the file opens perfectly without any issues, and you can edit or change anything you want. Now let me open a PDF file for you. The PDF also displays very well. There are no overlapping or layout issues. I will make few changes to show you how smoothly it works. Editing is seamless, and you can do it just like I am. If you go to Home interface, you can create new files like documents, Excel sheets, presentations, and PDFs. All the options are available, just like in Microsoft. Let me quickly show you some basic features. If you want to use formulas in Excel, you just need to start typing the formula just like in Microsoft Excel, and it will automatically suggest, and you need to click on it. After clicking, it will apply automatically. For presentations, you can work just like you would in Office. As for PDF, I have already shown you that you can create or edit them with all the necessary options available. Now that you have been seen the interface and features, let's move on to the downloading and installing OnlyOffice. To download it, open any browser and search for OnlyOffice. Click on the first link that appears. On the top right, you will see a download option. Hover your mouse over it and you will see three options. Select the bottom one, which is for mobile apps and desktops. Click on it and you will be taken to the new page, and here you can see three options. Select the middle one, which is for Windows 11, 10 and all the versions, and below that you can see two file options, exe and msi. Just click on exe file and your download will start automatically. Since I already have it downloaded, I would not download it again, but let me show you the installation process. It's very easy and straightforward. After downloading, the file will be in your downloads folder. You can copy it to your desktop if you want. Double click to open and install it. Carefully follow all the steps. If you are unsure about installation, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, it may take a little time to set up. Then click on finish and it will launch automatically. Now OnlyOffice successfully has been installed on your PC. Now you can do any work of Microsoft Office on it. So I have explained everything you need to know. Go ahead and enjoy Microsoft Office features completely free. If this helps you and your work runs smoothly, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and information. Share this with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.